a land of big trees, deep canyons, tall peaks and flowing rivers. Sequoia National Park has the largest trees in the world, and Kings Canyon has one of the deepest canyons of its kind in North America. There are miles upon miles of flowing, beautiful rivers that run through the 850,000 acres. This place is truly a land of giants.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is James, and if it's the first time to this channel and you want to learn all about Photoshop, Lightroom and everything camera related, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. Now today guys, we're at Sequoia National Park, the most southern national park in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. This one is home to the sequoia trees, very closely related to the coastal redwood trees, which are the tallest trees in the world. Sequoia trees are the biggest trees in the world. But Sequoia National Park isn't just all big trees. There are amazing views of the Sierra Nevada mountain range. There are great granite monoliths to go and explore. There are also beautiful valleys and also a few amazing waterfalls. So today guys, I'm just going to whittle it down to 5 best places that you should go visit if you want to go to Sequoia National Park. So guys, let's get started. Amphitheater Poin is a great spot to take panoramic photos of the entire Sequoia National Park Valley. Also, it's a great spot if you want to take photos of Moro Rock, which is one of the largest granite monoliths in the entire Sequoia National Park. It stands proud against the valley floor. You can also see the winding mountain road that you took to come up here, an amazing drive any time of year. And on top of Moro Rock is an even better spot, a full 360-degree view of the entire Sequoia National Park. And off in the distance you can see the great Sierra Nevada mountains, and then to my right hand side you can see the beautiful sequoia trees running right through the valley. The Parker Group is a massive selection of 8 giant sequoia trees, really close to each other. This is a great spot if you want to take photos of the sequoias because you can get right up close to them. Also, what you can do is use your panoramic mode on your phone and start from top to bottom so you can get the full height of these trees. I'd also recommend if you have someone stand next to you, so that means you can really see how big these trees truly are. So right next to the Forest Museum, you've got one of the smaller walks in the Sequoia National Park. You've got the Big Tree Trail. Now this is one of my favourite walks in Sequoia National Park because of just the stunning beauty of the sequoia trees with the surrounding area. You've got a beautiful meadow and then you've got the great sequoia trees growing right next to them. It is a great spot if you're planning on taking any photos of either of the trees or of just natural the scenery on Sequoia. This is a great representation of what Sequoia National Park is like. It also really does put it into perspective the size of these trees because you've got the small pine trees growing next to it and then you've got the grand sequoia trees which grow right beside, and you've got a really good comparison on how big these trees truly are. So one of the more touristy things you can do at Sequoia National Park is drive through Tunnel Log. Now this is a tree that fell down in 1917 and they've actually hollowed it out over the road. You can drive your vehicle through it. So I couldn't resist driving my American pickup truck through this tunnel log. One of Sequoia's best known attractions is the General Sherman tree. This is the biggest tree and the heaviest tree in the world. And no trip to Sequoia is complete without seeing the General Sherman tree. It is an absolute wonder of the natural world. Sunset Rock is an amazing place to go any time of day, but it especially becomes magical either at sunrise or at sunset. So I'm here at sunset now, and the Sequoia Valley lights up in this amazing golden kind of reddish tinge. It is truly beautiful. Also, it is a great finish to a long day of exploring Sequoia National Park.
Well, I hope that was helpful, guys, on the top 5 best places to go if you ever visit Sequoia National Park. Again, guys, if you want to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, it really does help my channel grow. Also, if you want to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my latest content. But until next time, guys, keep creating.